go to the library to borrow Mother Goose's book.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Won't it, Barney? Bye, Barney. Bye.
See you later.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Oh, we had a super-duper time today when we got a visit from Clarence the Goose and from our good friend Mother Goose. Mother Goose was taking her book of rhymes to the library for children to borrow. You can borrow books if you put your name on a library card, just as Sean did. We tried to bring Clarence back by telling lots of Mother Goose rhymes, like to market, and Humpty Dumpty. We found fun games in Mother Goose's book, like London Bridge and Ring Around the Rosie. And I got to use my imagination to make believe that I was Wee Willie Winky. We had such a good time, it's no wonder that Clarence came back to Mother Goose. And you can have fun like that too, with Mother Goose's book or lots of other books from the library. You're going to love the library, and I love you.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. The sun is shining. In fact, there's only one thing missing from this perfect day.
That's not my shadow.
I believe that's my shadow. Hi, everybody.
It's everyone's super-de-duper friend who's always ready to play. In the fun-filled Barney video, Good Day, Good Night.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
And just guess what Barney and all his friends want to do now.
I wish I could stay up all night long.
But it's hard to stay up all night. So Barney turns day into night in his very own special way.
This is my super-de-duper terrific night timer. It turns day into night. There's lots to do. Let's do it together.
And nighttime is the perfect time for a very purple pajama party. Get ready to laugh, sing, and dance your way through the night. And expect anything to happen. Because your special friend will be with you every step of the way.
Oops. Guess I didn't scare anybody, did I?
Mr. Sun.
It's a day and night of fun and games with one happy dinosaur and all of his great friends. So get your sun visor and your teddy bear. And don't forget your imagination. And get ready for a fun day's night with Barney's Good Day, Good Night.
Shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Now available on home video from Lyric Studios. Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I am Hagdish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Hegdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing Merry-Go-Pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh, now on public television.
Have you ever seen anything like that in your life?
Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area. And watch for Groundling Marsh on home video, available this spring from Lyric Studios.
Groundling Marsh.
From the people who brought you the award-winning video Kids for Character comes an exciting new video, Choices Count. Kids will love singing and dancing as they learn all about consequences. Consequences. Listening to their conscience.
Listen to your inner voice. Your conscience is the key. Yes, listen
And fessing
to
up
your
when they
inner
mess
voice.
up. Choices Count entertains while teaching the very important idea that
Sometimes making choices isn't easy.
Choices are what it's all about. That we've learned
with scenes from Bananas in Pajamas, The Big Comfy Couch, and Wishbone. Choices Count is 60 minutes of fun for kids and parents alike. Look for Choices Count at a store near you.